Hello everyone. The gap between medical theory and confident clinical practice is a silent threat in healthcare. Our team, MetaMinds 85, is tackling this challenge head on at the Smart India Hackathon 2025. We are not just innovating, we are redefining the medical education with extended reality. Get ready for a virtual clinical skill trainer where students practice skills in a risk-free, immersive digital environment.
We, the team of MetaMinds 85, found that there is a bridging gap between the theoretical knowledge and the practical experience in the field of medical, which is a major field in nowadays. So what we have done is we have created a virtual environment where the student can learn virtually, implementing themselves in that virtual environment, experiencing the patient with real time. So in this project particularly, we have concentrated over PVD, which is meant by peripheral vascular disease. So here we have created the patient where the student can interact with this patient, they can convocate and can examine the body, they can do pulse palpation and so on. So let's dive into the prototype.
Looking over the prototype, we have created a virtual medical lab where the student can virtually experience the physical training. Initially, we have provided a conversation feature where the student can communicate with the affected person and can gain insightful knowledge about what the person is affected with. And we have also implemented virtual examination of the affected person. Here we have particularly chosen peripheral vascular disease, and the student can properly examine over the affected parts in virtual lab without the need of any physical mannequins, hence generating a cost-effective learning platform. Here the student can completely examine the virtual patients, and for medical students, accurately diagnosing and assessing PVD requires hands-on skills like pulse palpation and skin inspection. Hence, we have created a virtual lab where the theoretical knowledge is converted to practical experience. The virtual clinical skill trainer is the future of medical education. It means better trained healthcare professionals, reduced clinical errors, and economic saving by reducing the cost of physical labs and mannequins. MetaMinds 85 is ready to scale this framework, starting with PVD and expanding to a full suite of clinical medical trainings.